What if you could get inside the minds of your target Amazon customers before ever launching a product? Discover exactly what they want, what problems they face, and how to make your offering irresistible. Now imagine this insight comes directly from the source, real potential Amazon customers giving you unfiltered, honest feedback. Too good to be true?
Very good.
Not with focus groups. This incredible qualitative research method lets you directly engage with customers to validate product ideas, understand needs, refine offerings, and minimize your risk. In this video, I'll share all my research on how to conduct killer focus groups that deliver game-changing insights. You'll learn insider tips on moderating dynamic discussions, asking the right questions, and applying those learnings to boost your next product launch. Don't launch blind. Get to know your Amazon customers intimately and watch your Amazon sales soar. So now let's dive in with me first telling you who I am in 45 seconds and how we can help you scale your Amazon business. So real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith and I own an Amazon creative agency called Evolve Media Agency. At EMA, we completely revamp Amazon listings by doing top-tier product photo and video shoots that greatly increase PPC ad performance by simply boosting a product detail page's conversion rate. Conversion rate is our main focus when renovating Amazon product detail pages. We also write listing copy, create user-generated content, and create video ads for Amazon PPC and TikTok. We build out brand story sections, Amazon storefronts, and create off-Amazon marketing funnels for driving traffic from social media. If you want free access to our Amazon listing checklist, go to amzchecklist.com. And to view our pricing portfolio and to get a free listing audit, then book a free consulting call by going to emaamz.com. All right, let's carry on with the video. Focus groups are such a valuable way to connect with your target customers and get feedback to maximize your chances of success. So what is a focus group? A focus group basically brings together 6 to 12 people from your target market for a guided discussion about your product. You get to see their real, unfiltered reactions and hear honest opinions. They're super helpful for validating if there's interest in your idea before investing in a full launch.
An idea bigger than the Grand Canyon?
You can understand exactly what your customers want and care about and learn their pain points so you can tailor the product to meet their exact needs. You can get suggestions to improve the product design, features, or packaging before release and make those changes so it aligns perfectly with the customer's expectations. You can test around with marketing messaging to see what resonates best with them and refine your product descriptions, branding, and things like that based on their feedback. Focus groups greatly reduce the risk of failure by involving real users early and taking their input seriously. Don't just guess what Amazon buyers want, know what they want.
Wow.
Being the moderator is key to getting great insights from a focus group. So here are some quick tips. Set a comfortable, friendly tone from the start by greeting participants individually and use icebreaker questions. Explain the rules up front, like keeping responses confidential and turning off cell phones. Use a mix of activities like having people rate concepts or do word association to keep it interactive. Ask open-ended questions and dig deeper with follow-up questions to get them to explain responses more fully. Now you gotta remain neutral so you don't influence their opinions one way or another, but just guide the discussion. And be sure to watch your body language to show you're listening intently to their feedback. The more they feel they're being heard, the more likely they'll share even more information and maybe even secretive information that they held back. They'll feel more comfortable with giving that over to you. Some advanced focus group strategies include having the group evaluate 2 to 3 of your products or prototypes in one session to get more value. Also, sending a follow-up survey to capture additional feedback after they've had more time to think it over is a great strategy. Offering incentives like gift cards or cash to secure commitment from your ideal participants is also a great idea.
New ideas are fine.
Recording the audio and video so you can rewatch it to catch additional insights is also a great idea. So for this, what I would recommend to you is do it over Zoom because it's an easy way to just record it and they're not all sketched out about it. And also you can find participants all over your country or in another part of the world for a good cost. You know, Zoom is a great way to connect internationally or even just nationally and be able to record the audio and video so they don't get all uneasy about it. Also, if you have any co-moderators or people on your team that are helping you do this, you want to debrief them immediately after they interview that person so that the information is fresh in case they didn't write down everything. You want to have that information, as much information really as possible. Now keep in mind, you need the right mix of people that match your target customer profile. There are many companies out there that can help you source qualified participants that will fit your audience. Leveraging focus groups during product development is so smart because you truly get understanding of your potential buyers. You also greatly reduce risk and boost the chances of a successful launch on Amazon. Just be sure to prep thoughtful questions, moderate effectively, and keep participants engaged. Then once you get all this data and feedback, you gotta actually take action on the feedback you receive to refine the product before you actually launch. All right, so there are my insights for focus groups. I highly recommend to every Amazon seller that's trying to launch a product on Amazon to actually go through some kind of a focus group testing so that you don't invest a whole bunch of money into an inventory that doesn't really sell through, or maybe with a few small changes, you could have had a much better launch and maybe avoided some of those negative reviews. I highly recommend you mess around with focus groups and look more into the different companies that offer an easy way to go about it. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you got some value, and I'll catch you in the next video.